So right now I am visiting my friend house.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you.
Yes.
This one?
Yes, this is my
Yeah.
Ah.
Hello.
hello.
How are you? So, Chinese village. नीचे मेटल के डोर्स लगे हुए हैं और ऊपर जैसे वॉल्स पे क्लैडिंग्स. यहाँ पे विलेज में भी विलास टाइप बने हुए हैं. ऑटोमेटिक डोर्स, ज़्यादातर इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स, ईवी. टेस्ला. हाँ, ऐसा नहीं. टेस्ला इन चाइनीज विलेज.
टेस्ला? वाह.
और इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स चार्जिंग यहाँ पे करने की जगह. तो hello, morning. So we have lemons here. Yeah. So they have these columns at the entrance.
Hello.
Hi Shelly, how are you?
Fine.
And cladding outside.
Hi.
Wood and lock, automatic lock.
Very nice house. Thank you.
So everyone is sitting. Hello, how are you?
Hi, welcome.
Yes, sir.
And this is our restaurant here.
Okay.
Here, and this is our kitchen.
This is dining table, rotating one or?
No, this is.
Okay. On top you can rotate. And then we have
inside the kitchen.
And for kitchen we have like a hood, stuff, these things, storage units.
Storage here. We have
Simple
the
kitchen.
storage.
Okay, refrigerator. And outside we have view.
Yes, the kitchen is not much different.
So this is like a city or village or county or because in village, in Chinese village I can find Tesla cars. it's like a Chinese village. Yeah, so it's not like some
One baby.
normal
One baby.
So let's move to other basement.
So what?
Okay, let's go. Maybe we remove the shoes.
No, come.
Are you sure?
Yes. No, remove the shoe, no problem. No, come. So,
Oh wow! So what is this thing?
this-
The photos.
this photo my wife printed.
Oh.
And that means she with my son and waiting for me.
Oh.
No, she go back to China, to
So,
Dubai.
so now in Dubai maybe have
This
three
is my
photos.
parents.
She draw this.
Okay. All right.
So this is my kid's son, my son's home.
Okay. So this is like study table.
Yeah, this is his book shop.
Okay, for your son, and
Yes.
this is like a bed and
Very simple.
yeah, and some computer table and like that. And even in balcony floor, it's like a carpet.
My son like sit here to read a book.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Bedroom.
So let's move.
This we have one bathroom here.
Simple.
Okay. All right.
这是我儿子书房加卧室。
很大，这样子就两边连起来就很大了。
So Edward, let's move ahead.
Yes.
因为你儿子几岁啊
15岁。
是吧？
So now we are going to second, as per China, it's third floor, right?
Yes.
We are going to third
This
floor.
is top floor.
This is your bedroom?
This the back side is our like moving and storage.
Oh, okay.
Theater room.
theater and storage.
Yes.
Okay.
One more floor.
And here,
This is my bedroom.
this is your bedroom, huh? With the nice view.
No, they don't have nice view actually.
It is nice view, like sunny, you know, like it seems like with some paintings and
Two, one more.
No, up is only two.
so this is Chinese villa tour
All kind of like.
in the village. So
This is my mom.
yeah, so you miss her a lot, miss him a lot,
他说你很想念我吗
right?
Yes.
And you also miss her a lot, right?
Yes.
Okay. So please, once your mom and dad come to Dubai, please invite
Welcome, welcome.
and let me know.
Let's just get
Welcome
us
Dubai,
up
welcome
anyway.
Dubai.
Of course.
All right.
All
It's
right.
really nice to meet with you guys.
Thank you.
Say in Chinese.
谢谢。
很高兴见到你。
很高兴见到你。
怎
Yes.
么好容易？
Nice.